Hello friend, how are you today? I am fine. Today I will tell you about a brief how does WordPress work. To get started your WordPress website, you should begin by choosing a theme. A theme defines the appearance of your website, and each theme comes with its own design, layout, and features. Your theme is customizable and you can change it at any point without losing your content. You can publish content by working with an editor to create pages or posts. The standard editor works with blocks, which are elements like headings, paragraphs, buttons, or images. These allow you to build your page while having a structured layout. You can easily switch to a code editor if you need to. To take the most out of your website, you can use plugins. Plugins are additional features you can install on your website. There are a wide variety of both free and paid plugins available, and each has its own use. They can, for example, improve the performance of your site, protect your website against spam, or help you with SEO. Plugins generally make creating and maintaining your WordPress website a lot easier. Why should I use WordPress? If you are planning to build a website, WordPress is a great choice. It is widely regarded as the best tool to create your website with. At the time of writing, 36% of all sites on the internet are powered by WordPress. Besides its popularity, there are many more reasons to use WordPress. It is accessible to any. You do not need to have any knowledge about building website to start using WordPress. It's free to use. There are no additional costs to using WordPress and you can use it with all of your plans. It gives you a lot of possibilities due to plugins. One of the biggest advantages that WordPress has over other tools is the additional features you can add to your site by using plugins. It can also be used to set up an online shop, for example, with WooCommerce or our own online shop product. It's easy to install. With most of our hosting plans, you can install WordPress quickly using our one-click installer. How do I get started with WordPress? To get started with WordPress, select one of our hosting plans and start building your WordPress website. With most of our plans, you can install WordPress in just one click. Once you have done that, you can access the WordPress dashboard. This is where you can create and manage your WordPress site. The dashboard has many features for you to explore, but a good starting point is selecting and customizing a theme. Building the website of your dreams with WordPress is only the beginning. Once you have published your website, you are entering the maintenance phase, where the main task is to maintain and optimize the functionality of your new online home. This article covers the reasons to update regularly and suggests a number of ways to tackle updates. Don't have time to read to the end. Keep your WordPress site up to date. The importance of updates. WordPress has become the world's leading CMS thanks to its versatility, allowing its users endless customization and creative freedom by offering a near infinite number of ways to combine themes and plugins to create websites with truly unique appearance and functionality. However, each component is like any other software subject to updates and maintenance. In case of failure to update a component when needed, you are putting yourself at risk of the following. Security issue. WordPress powers roughly 40% of the internet, making its components attractive targets for hackers. Vulnerabilities are common since the launch of our managed WordPress add-on with daily vulnerability scans in late 2021. More than 43 and 500 vulnerabilities have been detected and repaired. Development teams work constantly on improving the security of their products, resulting in frequent new release that are left up to end user you to install. Bug fixes. With more than 33,000 themes and 60,000 plugins available in the WordPress repository, chances of encountering a bug every now and then are high. Thankfully, developers work tirelessly to identify bugs and improve the quality of their products by releasing new versions. The best way to benefit from their work is to update as soon as an update becomes available. Performance improvements. Whether it's brand new features or lighter files, if you don't update, your website won't evolve and you risk missing out on competitive advantage. Compatibility issues. WordPress users often fear that an update might clash with another component and break their site. Actually, it's the other way around. The best way to make sure that all plugins and themes are compatible is by running the latest version of each one. Skipping an update today might cause problems later on. It is, however, true that plugins and themes can have some compatibility issues early into a new WordPress core release. Plugins and themes are blocks of code and style sheets that are compatible in most cases, but exceptions happen and can sometimes affect how your website looks and functions. If that happens, your best option is to roll back to a previous version of the component causing the issue. Then try updating again after giving its development team some time to address the issue.